Welcome to Island Metal Forge. My name is Yamez, and I'll be your host for this channel. Host? Sure. Anyway, I hope you guys find it entertaining as well as somewhat educational. I hope to do some educational stuff in the future, and I have several entertaining little videos. My bread and butter are my live shows at 6 p.m. Eastern Time on Saturdays. That's weekly, barring acts of nature, I go live. My shop is indoors, so I don't have to worry about the rain. I'm always growing. I've been at this for over a year. Always growing, always learning, always willing to share. So if this is your first time to the channel and you're thinking about subscribing, hit it. It's right there. It's awesome. And I'll toss a recommended video right up there. Thank you for checking out my channel, and as always, hearts and health, and I will see you around.